Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install CapCut video editor on your desktop device. So let's start by opening up our web browser. In this case it's Google Chrome. I'm gonna go click on the URL bar. Here I'm going to type CapCut, type enter, and it should be one of the first few results that you see. So I'm going to click on this one, the one that leads me to CapCut.com, and then I'm going to click on download. So here it should send you a file and should only take a few seconds to download. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So now it's going to open the installer and it should take of everything for you. There isn't much that you should have to configure besides maybe some shortcuts and some start menu folders. So this might take a minute or two depending on how fast your computer is and how fast your internet speed is as well. There we go. And as you can see, CapCut has successfully been updated. Now I've used the program before, that's why it's already automatically loaded up some of my account settings here. As you can see at the top left, it displays my user, but usually there's a short setup process. But it's pretty intuitive to follow and usually only takes a few clicks to set up. So that's how you can install CapCut on your desktop device. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.